strings and was made out of wood. Yours don't look the same.
No, we're making glove puppets, Ivor. It's a different kind of puppet.
We're out to see the tiddly peeps, on the road we go. We're out to see the tiddly peeps, the smartest lot we know. The tiddly peeps, yes, we need to know. Who, what, where, why, when and how, alas and off we go. We're out to see the tiddly peeps, on the road we go. We're out to see the tiddly peeps, the smartest lot we know. Hooble-doop, tiddly peeps.
Hooble-doop, Groove.
Hoobie-galooby, another lion. Ivor, look, this is just the sort of mask that Roma had.
Yes.
Now, I'm so glad I found you two, because I'm sure you'll be able to help. How exactly do you make these hoobie-groovy masks?
All you need is some papier-mâché.
What's that then?
It's little bits of newspaper, water and glue mixed up together.
We're off to see the tiddly peeps, on the road we go. We're off to see the tiddly peeps, they're smart, they're fun, they know. The tiddly peeps, help us find things out. They give us clues, they tell us news, that's what they're all about. We're off to see the tiddly peeps, on the road we go. We're off to see the tiddly peeps, they're smart, they're fun, they know. Hooble-doop, tiddly peeps.
Hooble-doop, Groove.
Oh dear, it looks like I've caught you on your way to bed. Do you think you might have a few moments to help me?